My aim has always been to help you succeed on this internet space. So I try as much as I can to make sure that you get everything you need to succeed. If you are a freelancer, copywriter, Amazon KDP publisher, web designer, or even a graphic designer, this video is for you. Make sure you watch it till the end because I have a special bonus at the end of this short video. To appreciate my subscribers, I will be sponsoring 100 people with QBot Premium. I will subscribe to QBot Premium for you and give you the login details. And I'll also be giving 3 lucky people a laptop to start their online business. At intervals, I take time to give out free tips, premium tools, and every other thing you need to succeed online. Let's eradicate SACPA from our society. Today, I want to sponsor 100 people and help them subscribe to QBot Premium. I'll register and give them the login details. But to get that, there's just a simple task that I want you to do. As you're watching this video, click on the share button, copy the link, and share it with your friends on WhatsApp, Telegram, Twitter, Facebook, and TikTok. Share this video as much as you can and tag me to anywhere you're sharing it, or get the screenshots because I'm going to ask you for it. Once you send me the screenshots, I'll get your email and your details and I'll create a premium QBot for you without paying anything. This is my way of saying thank you for sharing my videos. So do that right away. Share this video and tell me if you have done it. Then click the link in the description down below to join my premium Telegram channel where I'm going to be picking everybody that I want to give this QBot Premium. Join the group. Let me know if you shared this video and I'm going to register QBot Premium for you. To win the laptop, follow me on Twitter, Instagram, and TikTok. If you follow me, I'll notice you and you'll be eligible to win the laptop as soon as I hit 30,000 followers on Twitter. We are just about 1,000 followers to go. Once you do all that, wait and pray that you'll be selected. But if you don't, you are not even going to have a chance to be part of those that can win the laptop. I know that the lucky person is listening to me right now and I wish you good luck. In the next 12 hours, I'm going to drop a video that is going to teach you how to write special type of books on Amazon KDP that you're going to sell without having any issue of answering the AI survey question for your KDP account safety. Don't miss the video. Subscribe to my channel. Click the bell notification icon to get instant notification once I post the video. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in 12 hours.